Hello everyone, welcome to Neutron. So from today onwards, we are going to start a new series, that is the current affairs show, the daily one-liners series. So we will be taking all the current affairs questions of the day, and it will be a quick revision series. So you can quickly go through the one-liners and you can revise your current affairs. So let's begin with the today's session. Okay, the first question is which organization launched Indian Certification of Medical Devices 13485 Plus scheme, ICMED 13485 Plus, the upgraded version of the 2016 ICMED scheme? So the answer is Quality Council of India. The second is state government that signed an MOU in June 2021 with Survey of India to implement Swamitva scheme and issue property cards to its rural landowners. The answer is Assam. What points are related to the Indian Business Process Outsourcing Promotion IBPS scheme and its outcomes? The answer is Vishakhapatnam is said to become the first of its kind software product development city in India with the establishment of Center of Excellence on the Industry 4.0. And the second is IBPS scheme was launched in 2014 under the Digital India program to promote IT/ITES industry across India, providing incentives up to 50%. The next question is which organization partnered with the National High Speed Rail Corporation Limited to formulate the world's first green rating system for high speed rails? The answer is Indian Green Building Council. The next is ministry that launched Jaan Hai To Jahan Hai campaign to spread awareness on COVID vaccination in rural areas of India. The answer is Ministry of Minority Affairs. The next is target set by the Indian government to establish 10,000 Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendras. So the target is by 2024. So moving on to the next slide. The next one is the world is not on track to reduce suicide mortality rate by 1/3 by 2030 as per the findings of Suicide Worldwide in 2019 report. Which organization released the report? The answer is WHO, World Health Organization. The next is which bank recently in June entered into a bank assurance partnership with SBI General Insurance? The answer is IDFC First Bank. Which bank has extended the instant cardless EMI facility up to Rs 5 lakhs in June for its pre-approved customers? The answer is ICICI Bank. Customers of which state will be benefited through the EMI based health insurance subscription facility announced by Navi General Insurance Limited in June 2012? The answer is Kerala. Which company partnered in June 21 with flexiloans.com to provide loans to farmer retailers and distributors across India? The answer is Retailio. Company that partnered with Tata Group to implement 5G technology solutions based on ORAN, Open Radio Access Network, that was indigenously developed by Tata Group. The answer is Bharti Airtel. Only PSU to feature in the top 50 India's Great Place to Work list, released by Great Place to Work GPTVW Institute in June 2021. The answer is National Thermal Power Corporation. Moving on to the next slide. Which Indian Navy ship was conferred with Best Ship title at the Fleet Awards function 2021? The answer is INS Sahyadri. Who was appointed as the ambassador of the Forest Frontline Heroes by the WWF India? The answer is Upasana Kaminini. In June 2021, Civil Contract, a political party led by Armenia's current Prime Minister, won the country's parliamentary election. The answer is Nikol Pashinyan. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador of OnePlus Wearables? The answer is Jasprit Bumrah. Who was elected as the chief prosecutor of the International Criminal Court for a tenure of 9 years? The answer is Karim Khan. Who was elected as the chairman of Cellular Operators Association of India? The answer is Ajay Puri. Which organization acquired 54% stake on the Hyderabad-based fintech startup Paymatrix? The answer is Muthoot Fincorp. Which company got approval from the Competition Commission of India for acquiring 16.4% shares of the United Breweries Limited? The answer is Heineken international beverages. Moving on to the next slide. Which organization developed a modern canopy surveillance system for India's indigenous fighter aircraft LCA Tejas? The answer is DRDO. Researchers discovered a new species of grass called Lophopgon prasanne. The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Nirmal Kaur passed away. She was captain of India's women volleyball team. Author of the book My Joys and Sorrows as a mother of a special child. The answer is Krishnan Saxena. Will is the memoir of which famous personality? The answer is Will Smith. Which state government revised the Krishak Bandhu scheme to provide 10,000 as annual financial assistance to farmers? The answer is West Bengal. Where were the three Center of Excellence on Mango, Pomegranate and Vegetables recently inaugurated as part of the Indo-Israel Agricultural Product IIAP? The answer is Karnataka. Where is India's famous Ramsar wetland site, Point Calumet Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary located? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Moving on to the next slide. India targets a healthy inflation rate of 4% for the next 5 years, starting from 1st April 2021. What is the tolerance band for the inflation rate? The answer is plus minus 2%. Trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, TRIPS, is a legal agreement for global intellectual property rights signed among the members of the World Trade Organization. When did the TRIPS come into effect? The answer is 1st January 1995. When was the National Internet Exchange of India (NIXI) established? The answer is 2003. So by this we come to the end of the today's session. Thank you so much for your time and patience, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep showering your love to this channel. Thank you so much.